Hi, and here we are in a beautiful garden in the heart of nature. And a lot of people have been asking me lately about sleep programs. And sleep programming is probably the single most powerful way to change your subconscious programming if you do it correctly. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how I do my sleep programming. It's actually a two-step process. So I'm going to go over the steps with you. And this is how I was able to cure myself of lifelong illness that doctors and natural remedies couldn't, as well as to be on YouTube because I had a very significant phobia about being on camera and performance anxiety. I did my sleep programming along with affirmations. I cleared it, and here I am. So I'm going to share this with you right now. Hey, Adam here of the Medium channel, where we bring you the spirituality behind the message to help you to awaken. And we get programmed by society growing up, messages we hear that are repeated over and over again, suppressed traumas. They get entrenched in our energy fields, entrenched in our subconscious, and we wind up recreating those traumas over and over again. So sleep programming is an excellent tool for changing that because it captures that state of mind where you're most receptive to suggestion. And if you augment that with affirmations, then you have the complete picture. There's a couple of basic ways or reasons to do reprogramming, to do sleep programs. One is to change your vibration, to change your frequency and your personality in order to change your life. And like for example, losing the camera shyness for YouTube, or being more confident, or being more attractive, things like that. So you can reprogram your mind and energy fields for that, or you can do it for specific results or specific things like attracting more money, or soulmate, or something along those lines. Now it's a twofold process, and this is where it gets interesting because this is a unique teaching that I'm offering you. And the first step is actually recording the sleep program. I do it for 31 minutes. It's part of yoga training. 31 minutes has an optimal effect in terms of reprogramming the mind as you're drifting off to sleep. So I do 31 minutes. I don't use a tape loop. You can do it that way, but that's a different technique. I sit and I do my affirmations for 31 minutes in the microphone using an app, a taping app. Use a decent app, and then do the affirmations. Keep repeating them. Don't do the affirmation more than 45 seconds. In fact, 30 seconds is optimal. So don't try to do too much. Stick to the point. Whatever you're doing, make the affirmations very succinct to the point. Make your affirmations positive, in the present tense, validating the outcome as if it's already happening. Now, as I'm doing this, I'm actually going into a trance, and I'm doing my affirmations, and I'm feeling the sound currents through my body. This is important, and it's not taught. I'm feeling the sound currents in my body as I'm doing it. That changes my vibration. That's how affirmations work. I'm visualizing the outcome as if it's already happened. And by doing so, that vibration is going to be in my voice, if that makes any sense. So in other words, if I'm feeling the sound vibrations and I'm feeling the results, the vibration of the sound quality in my voice is going to carry that, and it's going to make the sleep program more powerful. So that's number one. And the number two part is you just play it every night as you're falling asleep. There's other affirmation tricks that you can use, but like incorporating the powers of three. Like, in other words, maybe doing 3 short affirmations as part of a longer affirmation. Remember, 45 seconds max, 30 seconds is better. Repeat it over and over again. Like for YouTube and life in general, the sleep program that I did is, I am now firmly in my power. I am calm, clear, and confident always. As you can see, that's a short and sweet affirmation, and it's being repeated over and over and over again as I'm drifting off to sleep. Now, augment that during your day by doing the affirmations of your sleep program several times each day. And it takes time. Like, I cured this lifelong illness. It took me 3 years, but I did it. So sometimes it takes a while. It doesn't take a week or a month. Sometimes it takes months or a year. But the idea is don't give up. We get programmed through the power of repetition. We can reprogram through the power of repetition. Some issues are deeper than others. Some take longer than others. And that's it. You've got this. Please like this video if you like it, and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this content and you haven't done so already. And if you hit the bell icon, then YouTube notifies you when we do the free live events as well as release new videos. And please comment also. I read the comments. What affirmations are you using? And we'll flash a video over here that will give you more detail on how to use affirmations that can translate into making more powerful sleep programs. So that's what I have for you today. Namaste, and I'll see you at the next video.